after 124 production school, and we're watching a train to the Old Transportation Center. Another video, but this one is because there's a Pullman. Kind of hard. Let's check out the Pullman again. No questions why I like Pullman. I'm going to tell you to read this scheme and also older schemes. It would have been perfect if they put it with the engine. Three Metras. Elmhurst. I heard that you could get in the cab of the cab car.
What do you want to try? No way. Yeah. Well, let's take Steve with it.
Let's just quickly. Let's get in. Yeah. But I'm not good at that show. So let's just. So let's go. Actually, I'm going down. So I can go back. Let's go. Okay, we'll see you. Okay, I'm back. Just need to do a quick test on my other recording device, the iPhone 11. Because I have two. The one I'm right now recording on is an iPhone 7. I wonder if these Superlands are. Wait, bro, what the hell?
I hope it gets better. Could you use the drive home with this breath? Oh, maybe I missed it.
Yeah, you missed it. Siemens Ventures. Looks so nice.
I'll switch sides. Never mind, I'm not switching sides.
Good size. And there's still no SD, so
Hey, look, there's 214.
Here's some other engines. I'm just zooming on out.
OPL, my bad.
Oh, I see a BNSF diesel engine just sitting there
and all these doors are open to 6 and 27 now.
in between a gap. So, graffiti cars.
Being left at 140 PHM.
Which one? They all both maybe.
Antroga 40.
Some are here on I don't know what number it is.
Look, bridges ahead. Locomotive shops. Funny name.
We're gonna be going super speed now.
Yeah, because this one stops at
This train will go up to 65 miles per hour. At its peak speed.
I'm guessing about 70.
Should be literally right now. We're about to go on.
I wonder what's making that sound. Oh. Actual beef, and I think you're mistaken, where you just went by Western Avenue. And also we're going pretty fast.
Yeah, I said we're gonna go 65 there.
Oh, 65. I can see this train going 70. I have potential. Don't let me down, engine. I think it's like 213 or something. Hopefully not 215, even though it's retired. So I wonder which train's leading. Oh, an original BN engine. Very old BNSF scheme. Oh, I'm going to move to the front. Yeah, we're actually from 9 now. Now we'll both comment on our videos. So,
You could say this is about like 50 miles per hour.
you can really feel the bump from here, though.
Yeah. We're slowing down now.
Oh, looks like we're going to stop. Or
We're not. We're going faster.
Okay. Must have been mistaken. Well, this thing's really shaking from side to side. We take a curve.
Well, now we're stopping.
Yeah. Unless something crazy happens again. Trees. Oh, yeah. We're definitely stopping. We are definitely. And, oh. Why am I holding on the handle of the...
That's a bad idea. I mean, if it's locked, then it's good. If it's unlocked, then that's a bad idea to hold it. You're gonna open the door.
I thought it was just a random handle sitting there. I was like, yeah, I'll just hold it. Yeah.
Sir, you don't hold anything random.
Okay, let's cut the video here because I stopped at Western Avenue. Right? Is this something? Yeah, I'll cut back.
So dead. Schneider. Western Avenue.
Wow, Western Avenue. I wonder if the station was before or after this. Because I saw one. I think Union Station's after this, but I saw something, so I think that was 16th Street or whatever. Yeah, I don't care.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa, this Burgess actual leaf in his back. You can see it flashing yellow in the distance, but I'm just not going to zoom into it. Yeah, it's useless, right? We're on a 4-track zone. Whoa, we're shaking. I don't have a bad feeling about this coach.
This is probably our peak speed. Yeah, this is gonna become crazy.
I really hate these bridge sections. No. I'm having to hold on to L to a defense seat to keep up. My hands die.
All I'm saying.
No, dude, don't. That's the. Dude. You could have flung out, dude. Don't do
No.
You killed us. Yeah, don't hold that hammer. Sissy rope. Yeah, I'll just take one step back from it in case something like that happens.
Even if it opens, we're still gonna be in here.
Yeah, but our phones would rip the rip.
And then we can just walk off and go grab our phones on the tracks.
But dude, the train would be going way too fast.
I guess. I mean, it's gonna stop at Cicero anyways.
Imagine dropping your phones at Cicero. Oh no. Whoa, we're gonna stop. Our potentials came down. Let's just go.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we're not going there for a while, look. We're going down here.
Way past one station.
These stations are really far apart. So it would have been nice if they made it accurate space. Then again, It might be an issue. Seeing how far Nemo goes from Route 59, you can figure it'd be like down here.
Let's make it like a super small.
Left-hand signal. Oh, I see Bien Caboose back there.
There's a street runner. This guy is a street runner.
Hey, they're building a new truck. Whoa.
Bad car's tilted.
Oh. Hello, BN train. BNSF train. Let's see what the engines are. Hey dude, we're racing a freight train. Basically. Pedestrian crossing signal.
Why are they here?
You missed your train. They even notice it. Oh, I think they're trying to get on the freight train.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Harlem. Okay, so hopefully we get to find out the engines on these, on the BNSF freight train. Green light. So maybe a train will come by on this middle track. Or second. I can see the shadow of the K3LA sitting up there.
Yep.
Crossing. Well, is this how close they are? Or are we just going slow? No, this can't. Is this a real? I can still see the platform. Really? I can still see the platform at Berwyn. Wow. Hopefully we skip a few stops after this. Phew, at least the train's coming on the middle track. Right, Sam?
It's going on the left track.
Okay, let's go. Harlem. I just heard a pedestrian crossing. I can still see Berwyn. meter.
Whoa. Jeez. Nice.
204.
Metro faster than high speed train.
204. We'll never know what BNSF engine that was. Unless we see it at Clarendon Hills, right?
Yep.
Okay, I think we're slowing down so we could find out. What, the gates went back up even though there's a train coming? Bro. That's just...
Riverside.
Hollywood's our next stop.
I genuinely thought
Hey, wait, this is platform 1 right here, dude. That's platform 1.
And so that's 2.
No, that's 1. I saw platform 1 say
The
that.
other side is 2. This one's 1.
Oh. Oh. So that's platform 2?
Unless I'm wrong.
So which one's platform 2?
Actually, I don't know anymore.
That one's platform 1, right, say on this side.
Yeah.
Platform 2 is that side. So does platform 2 always have a station?
Yeah.
Hmm.
At least on the BNSF.
Yeah, but on other routes you could find a platform. So, but on other routes such as the Union Pacific West, the stations are left-handed, so it would probably be a platform 2. One would be on the what side? Probably still be on the same side, but with a station said. Hopefully that's right. Who knows? To 11.4.
Switching tracks.
We switching. Where?
About to go over them.
Oh. We. Oh.
Did you see the signals?
Yeah.
The other side has another row, so there you go.
You can still see the BNSF freighter. We. Whoa. Whoa. I'll switch, don't I have 2 devices if you're wondering. This one's about to die, but the second one is soon.
Okay, it's coming in fast.
Whoa, a big old freight.
I estimated the fastest the train is gonna go. It's in between, I'd say about LaGrange Road and
Shush.
Clarendon Hills.
Yeah.
It's about 6 steps.
Oh, it's coming in fast.
Okay, this thing was slow. Now it's coming fast.
It's come back. It's made its comeback. Holy. I just pretend I'm a standard rail fan right now, but I'm moving. Seven, 8, 9, 7. Lego. Yeah. Okay, apology note. Yeah, 8577 wasn't the cab car I saw in Elmhurst. That was 8527. I meant to say that it was just a cab car I saw way too often. Not on video, but before I saw it like way too much before I started to do these rail fanning videos. So that's what I meant to say. So sorry. Sorry for telling you this now, but good enough. And goodbye. This is Metro 124 Productions, leaving